What is up, guys? Welcome back to the OmegaGreed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars, and we live inside the LA area, so we do videos around LA. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. My name is Jeffrey, and this is my, well, new to me car that I just purchased. And yeah, this is kind of a weird video if you're just jumping into the things right now. But yeah, man, for all of my longtime subscribers, you guys probably guessed what the car was going to be. I traded my 2017 Ford Focus RS in for, and that is this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL. And I am so excited to have this vehicle, especially for the channel, especially now just have another avenue to have something else different and just have different content on the channel. So yeah, guys, I'm like really pumped up to have this car. I don't know, like a good number of you guys did actually call it. Like you called exactly what the vehicle was going to be. Pretty cool. Some people thought a Gladiator. I think someone said a Gladiator. I did think about that. I'll have another video talking about why I didn't get a Gladiator over this. But yeah, I didn't get a Gladiator. But with that in mind, I'm gonna show you guys now like some of the footage of when I actually went to go buy the vehicle. I bought the vehicle from Ram of like LA. So cool. That's the actual dealership that let me turn this down so it's not blowing out the microphone. It's where Tall Guy Car Reviews and Mr. Organic, they go to that dealership a lot, and it was so cool going there. That's where I actually purchased the vehicle from. I did go look at a couple other places. It was another dealership. They had a whole bunch of like lifted Jeeps and stuff like that. That was kind of cool. But yeah, I will show you guys now the footage of me going to go first. I'll show you the footage of me looking at the other place that there was some lifted Jeeps. I did not buy the vehicle from there. And then I'll show you the footage from when we went and we looked at this Jeep, which I didn't really know I was going to buy it that moment. But yeah, once we got there, everything kind of worked out. And yeah, I wound up bringing this vehicle home. So I'll show you guys that footage now. Well, I think this one and that one were like the cheapest. These other ones I have no idea. These other ones seem like they're like way more expensive. That one? Yeah, this.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Does he not know how to drive a stick?
I have no idea. I'm trying to make sure he's not trying to just go ham with my exhaust. Jesus. Sorry. Oh yeah, let me look at this place. Oh, they're all about the same. Oh, but I guess they're like all about the same price. They have this black one too. Take a peek at what the interior looks like. I think this looks a little bit much. It's like dirt though too.
It smells weird.
Does it? It smells like leather cleaner or something. It's like they must have took the plastic or the rubber adhesive and this is coming off.
Dang.
Sorry. No, these were leather. I thought they were cloth. That's actually a lot better. It does look like the coolest, this gray one. It does look the coolest.
I do like the gray.
I do like the gray too.
I don't
It is a
Worried
little
that it's too high.
too high. Yeah. I always wondered about that because you can't really rub it. Like you can, but oh, it makes my skin crawl. Oh. That's the Jeep that we're looking at. Let's see what it's all about. Let's see. Pixel.
It's like super strange.
Was it? I don't know. It looks like it did have
That's what I'm saying.
a side step, but honestly, I kind of don't like it with the side steps.
But it's just that was just my cords. I wanted to make sure I kept those close so I remember to install that. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm tired tonight. I was trying not to say anything, but like that color is.
R8, chilling. Love LA. I love the fact that there's just a casual Audi R8 just chilling here in traffic. That's so cool. Honestly, I didn't think like a Jeep Wrangler. Well, I mean, obviously, like I know I've had them, but like you wouldn't think that a Jeep Wrangler would be great for like just traffic. And honestly, it is, man. This like super high up seating position, everything. I don't know. It's like this is so comfortable for this type of driving. I absolutely love it. Man, I am so happy with my decision. At least so far, I'm like really happy. I have no complaints. No complaints at all. What can I say? I love Jeeps. I just do. Yeah, I don't know. I love Jeeps. I love this type of whole thing. And now finally we can actually do stuff like off-roading that's legal. There's places to go. And I can finally jump into this whole... Guys, yes, I have the Jeep. And it is going to allow me to do different content on the channel. Like we are 100% going full steam ahead with doing more off-roading stuff as well. So I think it would actually be really cool to have like a nice, you know, change of pace, just a nice different variety of things on the channel. Guys, realize didn't do an outro to this video, so I'm gonna do it right here. I want to let you guys know today is Friday. This video should be going up today. Tomorrow, Saturday, I am going to an off-road park. We're going to be filming stuff there. I'm going to do a full walk around video of the car and going to be doing like my first time going off-roading. I am really excited. This is going to be like my first like real time. So I'm trying to get myself prepared. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything crazy, but we're going to go there, maybe do some couple of obstacles and see how it goes. And then, yeah, we're going to see from there. But stay tuned for that. That's coming up next. I'm literally going to film that tomorrow, and those videos will be coming out within the next couple of days. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of cool stuff with the Jeep. I'm so pumped up that we're going to actually be doing stuff with the Jeep that it was designed to do. And then we're going to see from there. I'm just take it out the first time, just get it dirty, have some fun, and then figure out what I want to do from there. But in the meantime, we just want to get it, you know, just use it basically. So if you want to see that, subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, Omega Greed, same name as YouTube channel. There's content going up there before it goes on the YouTube channel. And go to the website, usefulcars.com. Like that, right here, guys. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.